Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on Brawl Stars. First, ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is active. Then, put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode by pressing and holding the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your device's Bluetooth settings and select the wireless controller to connect it. It's a quick and easy process to get started. Once your PlayStation 4 controller is successfully paired, launch Brawl Stars. Head over to the Game Settings menu, usually found via the gear icon. The game should automatically detect your controller, but if not, look for a controller or input option to enable it. Take a moment to customize your button mappings and sensitivity to ensure the most comfortable and effective gameplay experience. This personalization is key for optimal performance. Using a PlayStation 4 controller offers significant advantages in Brawl Stars. You'll notice enhanced precision in character movement and aiming, which is crucial for landing those critical skill shots and supers. This can give you a competitive edge, especially in fast-paced matches. Additionally, it helps reduce finger fatigue during longer play sessions, allowing you to play comfortably for hours. It truly elevates the mobile gaming experience to a more console-like feel. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple fixes. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 controller has sufficient battery charge. If problems persist, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the controller via your device's Bluetooth settings. A quick restart of both your mobile device and Brawl Stars can often resolve minor glitches. Finally, always check for any pending game updates or controller firmware updates to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Happy brawling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.